When her AI started showing signs of a real human, she came across the craziest realization.
6 or 7 minutes is all it takes for caffeine to start entering your bloodstream. 20 to...
Look at that, another question.
What's up, bud?
Yeah, your AI, how did you just sneeze?
Interesting observation. As an AI designed to help you study, I don't actually have the ability to sneeze or feel sensations like a real person. I think you're hearing things.